is May 21st, 2021. This one here I got a call for AC's running, but it's not cool in the house. So, I think he's got an old, I remember working for this cat before. I think he's got an old R22 system. Probably a Goodman, maybe. We're going over there and see if we can figure out what's going on with it. No disconnect. Oh, is it? Oh, look at that. No disconnect. Wow. I remember working on the unit. It was over here. It was a different one. Look at this. They left the disconnect and they ran it all the way around. What a fluffing hack. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Look at this shit. Falling apart. Let's see what's going on with it. It's a scroll. I remember working on, I never worked on this one. The last one I worked on was a Goodman. You see, hopefully it's something simple. That's running. Probably low on Freon. What you want to bet? 410A. She's a leaker. Oh man, she's a leaker. I wonder how old the system is. It can't be old. It's a 30. It's a little 2.5 ton. Flipping hack. Unbelievable. You have to check the freon levels, I guess. Soaking wet over here. See if there's even any freon in it. It's a new system. It's not that old. This fucking guy calling me for it. He should have had the guy put it in, work on it. See if there's any freon in it. 25 pounds. Holy shit, we got a major leak here somewhere. Yeehaw.
Hello?
Yeah, Steve Lavimoniere, I'm calling back about your system here.
Yeah,
I mean, this is not the system I worked on. This is a newer system somebody put in.
Oh, okay.
Since I've been there, and I mean, you're out of Freon. You got like 25 pounds in this thing. I mean, major leak.
Oh, really?
Yeah, this thing, yeah. I mean, a major leak. Who put this thing in? You should have that guy come back and fix it.
Yeah, it was just a buddy of mine did me a favor.
Well, he's got a major leak somewhere. I don't know. I mean, 25 pounds, this thing should be like 175 pounds standing pressure. I don't even have it turned on, and it's 25 pounds in there.
Okay, so what do we need to do to fix it?
You got to find the leak and fix it.
How do I do that?
What about the guy who put it in? Why don't he do it?
Alright.
That would be the guy to call, the guy that put it in.
Okay. Alright.
Alright, I'm going to have to leave a service call bill for this, but...
Alright, what do you want?
Oh, it's going to be 1 hour, which is 96.
Alright, I'll have my wife cut you a check.
Alright, bye.